there language learners, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into a fantastic technique called Jam or Just a Minute. It's a great way to boost your speaking fluency and confidence. So grab a pen and a paper and let's get started. Okay, so what is Jam technique? It's super simple and incredibly effective. The idea is to choose a topic and speak about it for exactly 1 minute. Without stopping. No preparation, no pauses. Just 1 minute of non-stop talking. Sounds challenging, right? Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's talk about why Jam is so effective, and here are a few benefits. Number 1, improve fluency. Speaking continuously helps you get comfortable with the natural flow of English. It's like a workout for your brain's language center. Number 2, build confidence. Regular practice makes you more confident in your speaking abilities. The more you do it, the less intimidating it becomes. And number 3, enhance quick thinking. It trains you to organize your thoughts and speak spontaneously. This is especially useful in real-life conversation and exams. Number 4, improve pronunciation. The more you practice, the better your pronunciation and intonation become. You will start to sound more natural and fluent. Now, let's break down how to do a Jam session in a few simple steps. Step number 1, choose a topic. Pick a topic that interests you. It can be anything from my favorite food to the impact of technology. You can find a list of topics online or just think of something you are passionate about. Here are a few examples to get you started. My favorite food, a memorable trip, my daily routine, a recent movie I watched, the benefits of exercise. Step number 2, set a timer. Use your phone or a stopwatch to set a timer for 1 minute. This helps you keep track of your speaking time and ensure you're practicing for the right amount of time. And step number 3, speak continuously. Start speaking as soon as the timer starts. Don't worry about mistakes or pauses. Just keep talking. If you get stuck, use fillers like or rephrase your thoughts. Here's a little secret. The goal is to keep the conversation flowing, not to be perfect. Step number 4, record yourself. If you can, record your Jam session. This is super helpful for reviewing your performance and identifying areas to improve. You can use your phone, computer, or any recording device. Step number 5, review and reflect. After your session, listen to the recording. Note any frequent pauses, mispronunciation, or areas where you hesitated. This will help you focus on specific areas in your next practice. Now, let's do a quick demonstrations. I'm going to choose a topic and do a Jam session right here. The topic is my favorite holiday. Ready? Let's go. So I'm setting the timer. Do you see 1 minute? And here, I'm going to start here. My favorite holiday is New Year. I love it because it feels like a fresh start. Every New Year's Eve, my family and I have a big celebration. We decorate the house with Chinese streamers, balloons, and lights. It looks very festive and colorful. We also cook a lot of delicious food. There are different dishes from our culture and everyone gets to enjoy their favorite meals. My favorite part is the desserts, especially the cakes and cookies. We also have a tradition of making New Year's resolutions. These are promises to ourselves to do something better in the coming year, like exercising more or learning something new. It feels good to set goals and think about positive changes. After midnight, we sometimes go outside to watch fireworks. The sky lights up with beautiful colors and it's a wonderful sight. New Year is special because it brings everyone together to celebrate and hope for a great year ahead. That's why New Year is my favorite holiday. You see, the time just finished. That's 1 minute. See, it's not as hard as it seems. With a bit of practice, you will get the hang of it. Here are a few tips to make the most out of your Jam practice. First, practice regularly. Try to do at least 1 Jam session every day. Consistency is the key. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words related to your topics and use them in your sessions. For example, if your topic is travel, learn words like accommodation and sightseeing. Okay? Get feedback. If possible, share your recordings with a friend or a teacher for constructive feedback. They can point out areas you might not notice. And stay positive. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to improve gradually. Celebrate your progress. Need some topic ideas to get started? Here are a few more suggestions. Daily routine. Describe your typical day from morning to night. Favorite book or movie. Talk about why you like it and what it's about. Hobbies. Explain what do you do in your free time and why you enjoy it. Travel experience. Share a memorable trip you've taken. Current events. Discuss a recent news story or your thoughts on it. Cultural differences. Compare cultural aspects between your country and others. Future goals. Talk about your aspirations and plans for the future. Technological advances. Discuss recent innovations and their impact on society. Historical events. Speak about a significant historical event and its relevance. Personal challenges. Describe a challenge you faced and how you overcome it. As you get more comfortable with the JAM technique, here are some advanced tips to further enhance your practice. Increase your time. Gradually increase your speaking time from 1 minute to 2 or even 3 minutes. This will help you develop deeper thoughts and more detailed explanation. Use complex topics. Challenge yourself with more complex or abstract topics like the meaning of success or the role of government in society. Incorporate new vocabulary. Make it a goal to use at least 5 new words in each session. This will expand your vocabulary and make your speech more interesting. Practice with a partner. Find a language partner and take turns doing JAM sessions. Give each other feedback and suggestions for improvement. There you have it. The JAM technique is a fantastic way to improve your English speaking skill. Remember, the key is consistency and practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep pushing yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more language learning tips. And definitely hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. Happy speaking and I will see you in the next video, okay? Don't forget to check the description because I have a free English speaking community where you can go and you can practice your English every day. Recently, we just started our 45 days English speaking challenge and people are loving it because we are practicing our speaking skills by these challenges and we have our weekly speaking club meetings. You can join a meeting. Probably I'll be there on the meeting, so you can even talk with me and you can talk with the other community members. We're more than 1,000 members in our community, so that's a bonus. So you can speak English free every day with many others like you. Okay, that'll be great. So thank you so much and I will see you in the next video. Okay, see ya.